Hi guys, I'm GAURI VERMA and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I'm from Symbiosis Law School, Pune. And today I'll be sharing an introduction video for elections. We know many states have upcoming elections and many states have had their elections. So this video will let you understand more about what are elections, who can contest elections, who can vote in elections. So let's get started with the video. So first I'll share my screen with you all so that to give you a better understanding for what we are doing. Okay, so the Constitution of India, according to the Constitution of India, India is a democratic country and the fundamental of a democracy is free and fair elections, right? This is there in the preamble of the Constitution. The preamble of the Constitution provides us that uh, the fundamental of a democracy, that we are a democratic nation, and one of the fundamental features of democracy are free and fair elections. So, what are elections? For a layman, elections would be to choose your leader or to choose a person who will represent you, right? So now there are certain fundamental principles of elections, and these are enlisted under Article 325 of the Indian Constitution. The first fundamental of the Constitution, the first fundamental of elections is that there should be only one general electoral roll for every territorial constituency. Okay? For every constitutional constituency. Now, what do you territorial constituency? See, there shall be one general electoral roll for every territorial constituency. So, what do you mean by territorial constituency? Territorial constituency is the smallest part of a territory from where election can be held. Okay. Number two, no person has to be ineligible for inclusion or to claim to be included in a special electoral roll on grounds of religion, race, caste, or sex. It means that there can be no discrimination on the basis of religion, race, caste, or sex. The third essential is that no person shall be ineligible for inclusion in any such role or claim to be included in any special electoral role for any constituency on grounds only on religion, race, sex, and any of them. It means you can neither be excluded for this, neither you can be included in a special place for religion, race, caste, sex, or any of them. This is provided under Article 326, 325 of the Constitution. Next we have is Article 326 of the Indian Constitution. 326 of the Indian Constitution, what does it say? It says that the basis of election, the basis of election is what? Adult suffrage. We all know universal adult franchisee, where 18 years of age, any person who is above the years of 18 is eligible to vote. Okay? And the person is not person, the person should be citizen of India. Citizen of India. So, okay, a quick question for you all. Let us know in the comment section below which article of the Indian Constitution describes the citizen of India. And you'll get the answer in the next video. Okay. Next, so continuing. Also, this section debars certain people. It debars certain people. And what are the basis of debarring them? Number one, it is of someone who is of unsound mind, and that should be proven by a court. The proving is necessary. Second, any person who is held, who is held, who has done a crime, who has committed a crime, and is held by the court that he or she cannot elect. He cannot elect. And this is usually for 6 years and not more than that. Okay. So, right to vote or contest in elections. To start with it, here are certain cases. These cases will help you understand more about what we are studying, about the whole topic. The first case is NP Punnuswamy versus returning officer. So here, what the court said was that right to vote or stand in an election is not a civil right. It's not a common civil right, and it is created by a statute or a special law, and it must be subject to the limitation imposed by it. Okay, it is subject to the limitations imposed by it, and it is statutory. That is, it is made by a statute. Another case which lies on this similar principle, that is Jamuna Prasad Mukherjee versus Lachi Ram. The right to stand contest in an election is not a common rule right, and it's neither included in the fundamental rights chapter. It means that it is statutory right again. The next case is Jyoti Basu versus Devi Goshalan. Here as well, the same line of judgment was followed, and it said the right to elect is not fundamental. Election is fundamental, but right to elect, it's not a fundamental right. Okay? Neither it is a common law right, it is a statutory right, and so is right to be elected, right to dispute an election statutory, and it has to be in accordance with the statutory limitations. The next case is Pain Nalla Thampi Thera versus BL Shankar. Same, there is no right to elect or to be elected outside the statute, which means it's statutory and it has to be there in the limitations. The similar principle was followed in Anukul Chandra Pradhan versus Union of India 1997. Now the thing is, neither neither election is a fundamental right nor it is a common law right. We've read this. But it is not purely statutory as well. And how it is not purely statutory, we'll study about it. It is substantial. It is substantial and it flows from the Constitution. It is not something that the legislator has given us. This is something that the Constitution has given us. Okay, so now Section 326 of the Indian Constitution, it also said that a person who has reached the age of 18 years is entitled to vote. You have to vote, right? It is entitled to vote. This is a constitutional right. Next, also the right to stand for an election, it is conferred under Article 340, under Article 84B and 173B. And there are certain basic qualifications which are mentioned under qualifications and disqualifications for a candidate mentioned under Article 102E and 191 subclause E. And also, there is no statute that it completely negate or tamper with the right conferred by Articles 84 to 173 to contest an election for the Lok Sabha. The Constitution has given us the right, and it cannot be taken by the legislature or any statute. I hope this much was clear. for the election commissions and the state election commissions, the national election commissions, please stay tuned for the next video. And also, there's a quick disclaimer that this video is not in accordance with any advertisement, and it completely complies with the regulations imposed by the Bar Association of India, and it is strictly for educational purposes. Also, if you like the video, please like, follow, and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Also, if there is some error or a feedback that you want to give me, please, you're all most welcome in the comment section. Also, for any questions, comment it down, and I'll reply as fast as possible. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, like, follow, and subscribe.